Every month, millions of people struggle to make ends meet. They work hard, earn money, and yet, by the middle of the month, their bank accounts are nearly empty. Prices keep rising. Rents are skyrocketing. Even basic needs, like food and electricity, feel like luxuries. It feels like no matter how much they earn, it is never enough. The old way of managing money, saving a little and spending the rest, doesn't work anymore. Prices keep rising, but salaries stay the same. Credit cards offer fake relief, but debt piles up fast. People work harder, but feel poorer. The system isn't broken, it's designed this way. In today's world, survival is not just about making money, it is about controlling it. The only way to stay ahead is to live differently. Frugal living is no longer just a choice. It is the only way to break free and build a stable future. Number 1. The Great Economic Shift. Why we can't live like before. For decades, people followed a simple money plan. Go to school, get a job, save for retirement, and live a good life. That plan no longer works. Everything is getting more expensive. Rent, food, healthcare, and even digital subscriptions. Meanwhile, wages barely grow. A job that once provided a comfortable life now just covers the basics. Many people, even those with good jobs, live paycheck to paycheck. Inflation is one reason. A dollar today buys less than it did 5 years ago. In some cities, rent has doubled. Groceries that cost $50 last year now cost $75. Even fast food is no longer cheap. At the same time, companies have found new ways to take your money. Buy now, pay later options, expensive subscription services, and hidden fees make spending feel easy. But in reality, they trap people in a cycle of debt. Even rich people are changing how they spend. Billionaires like Warren Buffett and Mark Zuckerberg live simple lives, wearing the same clothes daily and avoiding wasteful purchases. They know the secret. The more you spend, the more you need to earn. The less you spend, the more freedom you have. The world has changed, but many people still try to live the old way, spending first and saving later. That no longer works. The only way to stay ahead is to be smarter with money. Frugality is not about being cheap. It's about surviving in a world that is designed to take your money. If you don't control your spending, someone else will. Number 2. Frugal versus cheap. The modern art of financial mastery. Many people think being frugal means being cheap, but they are not the same. Being cheap means always choosing the lowest price, no matter the quality. Being frugal means making smart choices that save money in the long run. A cheap person might buy the least expensive winter coat, but it falls apart after one season. A frugal person invests in high-quality coat that lasts for years, saving money over time. Cheapness often leads to waste, while frugality focuses on value. Frugality is not about avoiding spending altogether. It's about spending with purpose. It's about asking, is this worth my money? Will this bring long-term value? Instead of buying something just because it's on sale, a frugal person thinks about whether they truly need it. They don't fill their home with clutter just because the price was low. A frugal mindset also applies to time and energy. Some people drive across town to save $1 on gas, wasting an hour in the process. That's not smart. Frugality means knowing that time is also valuable. Being frugal doesn't mean missing out on life. It means enjoying life without financial stress. Instead of spending money on things that don't matter, frugal people focus on what truly makes them happy, whether that's traveling, hobbies, or financial freedom. They might cook at home not just to save money, but to eat healthier and enjoy quality time with family. Frugality is not about sacrifice, it's about control. When you master frugal living, you don't feel deprived. You feel empowered. Number 3. The hidden wealth in simplicity. The minimalist frugality hack. In a world where people are drowning in stuff, the smartest move isn't to own more, it's to own less. Simplicity is not just about decluttering. It's about cutting out unnecessary spending and focusing only on what truly adds value to life. Many people believe that success means having a big house, a new car, and the latest gadgets. But behind the scenes, those things come with stress, monthly payments, maintenance costs, and the constant pressure to keep up. Meanwhile, people who choose a simpler life often feel richer, not because they have more money, but because they have fewer financial worries. A family who downsized from a 5-bedroom house to a smaller home cut their mortgage in half. Suddenly, they had extra money to travel, invest, and enjoy life instead of working just to pay bills. A young professional who stopped buying fast fashion and stuck to a few high-quality outfits saved thousands while always looking stylish. Even millionaires live in modest homes and avoid unnecessary spending, not because they have to, but because they know real wealth isn't about things. The truth is, a minimalist, frugal lifestyle doesn't feel like sacrifice. It feels like freedom. Imagine waking up without debt, without the stress of bills piling up, without the need to constantly chase the next expensive thing. Instead of spending money on things that collect dust, people who embrace minimalist frugality spend on experiences, investments, and financial security. Living simply doesn't mean living poorly. It means being in control, focusing on what truly matters, and building a life that is rich, not in things, but in choices, freedom, and peace of mind. Number 4. Unconventional frugal strategies that works today. Today, many people are trying new ways to save money and live better lives. Some are turning to a method called reverse budgeting, where they set aside money for the things that matter most first, like experiences and emergencies, and then plan their spending around that. Instead of cutting out fun entirely, they decide what is important and build a budget that works around their passions. This change in thinking helps people feel more in control and less stressed about every purchase they make. Many families have embraced a challenge known as a no-spend weekend. They take a break from spending on non-essential items, choosing instead to spend quality time together. This practice not only saves money, but also creates memorable moments that they cherish. Many find that these challenges remind them of how easy it can be to have fun without spending much. Another surprising tool in the frugal toolbox is technology. Today, many people use smart apps and online services that use artificial intelligence to help track spending and negotiate better deals on bills. These tools send reminders when a subscription is about to renew and suggest cheaper alternatives, making it easier to cut out wasteful spending. They help simplify the process of managing money, and many users report that they feel more confident in their financial decisions as a result. Some individuals have taken a bold step by choosing the digital nomad lifestyle. They move to places with a lower cost of living while keeping their jobs online. This shift not only reduces their everyday expenses, but also opens up opportunities to travel and experience different cultures, all while still earning a steady income. In this new era, even the rich seem to follow a similar approach by investing in assets that grow in value rather than spending on short-term pleasures. These unconventional strategies show that being smart with money today means looking beyond traditional saving methods. It is about adapting to a changing world, using modern tools and creative ideas to build a life that is both fulfilling and secure. Number 5. The future of money. Why frugality will be the new wealth. The way people think about money is changing fast. In the past, success was measured by how much you owned, big houses, fancy cars, and expensive brands. But now, more people are realizing that true wealth isn't about spending more. It's about having financial freedom and peace of mind. With rising prices, unstable job markets, and increasing debt, living paycheck to paycheck is no longer an option. People are waking up to the fact that the old way of spending leads to stress, while frugality brings power. Those who spend wisely and save smartly are the ones who will thrive in the future. Young people today, especially millennials and Gen Z, are rejecting the old idea that success means buying more. Instead, they focus on financial independence, saving, investing, and living a meaningful life without worrying about money. The FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, is growing fast because people don't want to work stressful jobs for 40 years just to afford things they don't need. Even the rich are thinking differently. More billionaires are choosing to live simple lives and avoiding waste. They understand that wealth isn't about showing off. It's about owning your time and having choices. The future belongs to those who spend with purpose. Frugality is no longer about just saving money. It's a strategy for building real wealth. The people who control their spending today will be the ones who own their future tomorrow. In a world that constantly pushes people to buy more, the smartest move is to want less and gain more. Frugality isn't just survival, it's power. The world is changing, and the smartest way to stay ahead is to control your money before it controls you. Frugal living isn't about being cheap, it's about making smart choices that give you freedom. This week, challenge yourself. Cut one unnecessary expense. Maybe it's a subscription you don't use, eating out less, or finding a free way to have fun. Small changes add up fast. Take control. Build wealth, not stress. Frugality isn't about having less, it's about having more of what truly matters. Your future self will thank you. Are you ready? Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.